Hi, welcome to the Mindfulness Corner from Oils Wonderland. This is Amy Lohr, and today we are talking about embodying courage. So, our mindfulness practices today are going to be centered around embodying more courage in yourself. So, what's paired today, what essential oil is paired today with this mindfulness practice is the Valor blend from Young Living. And if you want to check that out, please see my description below on how you can get that oil to support your mindfulness practices and your personal growth and transformation around uh, embodying courage. So let's get started here. If you want to just get into a relaxed position and go ahead and close your eyes and start taking a couple of deep breaths in. Slow, long, deep breath in and a long breath out. Just gently bringing your attention to this moment and allowing anything from the day to just kind of float away as you focus on your breath. As you're taking this pause, I want you to think about a recent scenario where you've been telling yourself, I can't. I don't know how. I want to give up. I don't know how to keep going on. So bring that situation to your mind's attention. And notice what emotions and sensations you're feeling in your body as you think about those fears and worries and insecurities and resistances. And just greet what you're noticing with compassion and just a non judgmental mind and presence. And just continue to notice your resistance and your stories. See if you can really feel that in your body. And just note simply with one word what you're noticing. Fear, fear, judgment, tension. And parts of you just simply say to that desired movement in your life, I don't wanna do it. Just note those. And if you can now shift your focus a little bit to looking for the courage within you. So I want you to recall a circumstance where you were courageous, where you had valor, which is the courage to overcome adversity. So ask your body to remind you of your courage. And as you're doing this, if you're using the Valor blend, go ahead and take some deep breaths of that. So look for that valor, that courage within. See how you're enacting courage in this very moment to peek at the fears and vulnerabilities and resistance that's within you. And as you touch that courage, take a deep breath to breathe into that space in you that is that courage. And see what that feels like and what that looks like and where that's held in your body. Now come back to that one scenario where you've been saying, I can't, I won't, I don't wanna. And yet, of course, some part of you desires because you've established a goal or an intention or a wish or a want. So revisit that scenario as you stay rooted in the awareness and the embodiment of that valor. And bridge those two together. Bring in the reality of I can. And continue to note that resistance that might still be there. But realize that it doesn't consume the courageous aspect of you, does not smother it or dwindle it. That's still there, accessible no matter how much discomfort, discouragement, hopelessness, sense of helplessness that you might feel, that you can do it. And where you maybe can't, see if you can tap into what is greater and beyond you that can. and where there is resource beyond you that you can invite and bring in to enable that valor that you need to move forward. And in conclusion, knowing that acting in courage is always uncomfortable, and therefore change is always uncomfortable. It's always a little bit of a war. So don't wait to get comfortable. Stay rooted in the courage that is accessible to you and walk forward in that valor. I hope you enjoyed this mindfulness practice that is assisted with the Valor Essential Oil Blend from Young Living. If you wish to purchase this, you can check out the description below with a link to do so. And please subscribe to Oils Wonderland channel for regular mindfulness videos and other essential oils and health and wellness classes. Thanks again for your time. Feel free to reach out to me at oilswonderlandteam@gmail.com.